Hello and welcome friends and physicists. This is Rocky Singh. Today I am going to discuss the mathematical representation of Nasadya Sukta. Nasadya Sukta is equivalent to Big Bang. Reason why I am going to discuss on that because once Swami Vivekananda went to United States and met with Nikola Tesla, who was famous physicist and engineer, um, and he was interested to make a mathematical representation of this Nasadya Sukta. However, that has not been done. Um, Unfortunately, that was not done. So I'm trying to do this. Before I discuss, there are a couple of things that I'm going to discuss. First thing is the space-time altogether has been created during the Big Bang as per the theory of relativity. But Hinduism says that all space-time and mind altogether is a unique entity and created during the Big Bang. So what is mind? Mind is a Boltzmann brain or Boltzmann mind that is a function of information, and information is a statistical analytical function of raw data, and the raw data is a space, distance, position, time, pressure, volume, temperature, etc. So the information of the universe is closely related to entropy. And I'm going to show you that mind is also a wave. That is a function of phase of mind, and phase of mind is the relation between entropy and the space-time interval. Here is a brief derivation of the mind function of the universe that we have deduced from Nasadya Sukta. That is psi m. That is a function of theta m. Theta m is a function of space-time interval u, and s bar. S bar is a reduced version of entropy. That is going to be k by 2 into cos ku plus 1 by sine ku plus I. And the real part of this is a oscillating with space-time interval, and imaginary part is always a constant that we are going to discuss. So what is Nasadya Sukta tells us? Nasadya means there was not non-existent. That means there was not existence nor not existence. There was I mean both existence and non-existence has started together, and that can be represented as a complex wave because there was neither death nor mortality, neither light nor darkness, neither positive number nor negative number, neither imaginary number nor the real number. So that was the situation. Certainly one droplet as shown here. And droplet means a force, a creative force that is known as Brahma in Hinduism has created a wave across that droplet. So from that, the F is equal to Brahma equal to Maya or Shakti or energy. So the energy is going to be work done, that is going to be F dot S, that is going to be Fs cos theta, and the Karya Brahman, that is the top, that is the cross product of F and ds, that is going to be Fs sin theta over n cap, and the causality is going to be the summation of Maya and Karya Brahman, that is E plus T, that is going to be Fs uh, cos theta plus I dot fs sin theta, that is going to be finally uh, fs e to the power I ku. Here theta I am going to put theta as ku, where k is a wavelength and u is a space-time interval. So finally we have this function, that general wave function from Nasadya Sukta of Rigveda, that is psi u equal to fs e to the I ku. Now, as per de Broglie's proposal, all radiation should exhibit both particle and wave nature by combining the famous two formulae. Those two were E equal to h nu and E equal to mc square. From that, he has proposed that P equal to h bar k. That means any particle, whether massive or massless, must have a momentum and associated wave number. So that means the wave equation that we have derived from this Nasadya Sukta also have a particle that carries the Karya Brahman. I have given the name as Nasadon. This Nasadon could be the most generic superparticle of the standard model of particle diagram, elementary particle. Okay, here the two type of elementary particle. Those are fermions and bosons, and one special Higgs boson that provides mass to these fermions. And Nasadon could be the most generic particle of this diagram. So now the number of Nasadons, that is the number of the microscopic configuration. That is the curve under the function that I have shown you here. That is psi u du uh, from integration from 0 to u. So omega equal to psi u du. Omega is the area under the curve. If you solve this integration, you will get omega is equal to I e to the power minus ku minus 1 by k into psi u. And from the law of second law of thermodynamics, we have the equation like x equal to kb log e log omega to the base e, where kb is the Boltzmann constant. From that, we can deduce that omega equal to e to the power s bar, where s bar is the reduced version of entropy, that is s by kb. Now, this is my equation 2. From equation 1 and equation 2, by eliminating omega, we finally can deduce this equation, that is psi m the ku plus I s bar, that is going to be fs e to the power I ku plus I s bar, that is going to be k by 2 cos ku plus 1 by sin ku plus I. Now interestingly, this left hand side of this equation looks like a wave equation of the parameter ku plus I over s bar, that is my phase of mind, and the wave equation is the mind wave. Now the real part of this mind wave is going to be oscillating with the space-time interval, that is u, where u equal to root over x square plus y square plus z square plus I ct whole square. Okay, and the imaginary part is in a constant. As per Hinduism, imaginary part that is constant, that is nirgun, nirakar, and the real part which is oscillating with u, that is sagun sakar. Okay. Now, if you plot this mind wave equation, mind was infinite during the Big Bang. And mind is going to, I mean, it is slowly degraded and goes to zero when universe will be heat dead. Then mind goes to negative infinity. That means I mean, universe is going to crunch, and during the when ku equal to 2 pi, there will be a big crunch. Then mind will be negative infinity. So it is a cyclic process basically. From this process is goes on and on and on. You can see from this graph. So then Big Bang, then inflation, then heat dead, then big crunch, then again Big Bang, then inflation, then heat dead, then again big crunch, then again Big Bang. So it is a cyclic continuous process of the mind wave that we can see here. So in the summary, what we have deduced so far, we have deduced the we have seen that Om plus Reem, that has created rhythm plus arhythm. Rhythm is the um, law of physics or the cosmic principle, and arhythm is um, the all the anti-rhythm, that is against the law of physics. I mean, not law of physics, against the cosmic principle. That is matter and antimatter, crests and torts, like that. So together, that is going to be finally we have deduced the wave equation, that is Fs e to the power IKU, that is the cosmic wave function, and the number of microscopic state, that is number of Nasadons present in this wave function, that is going to be omega equal to I e to the power minus IKU minus 1 by k into psi. Okay, so real part is oscillating with the space-time interval, and the imaginary part is constant. That means one part is Nirakar, and real part is going to be Sagun Sakar as per Hindu philosophy. And so Big Bang, then heat dead, then Big Crunch, then again Big Bang, then heat dead, then Big Crunch. So that is going to be a cyclic process as per the equation that shows us. Okay. So hope you have enjoyed this thing. If you have any comment or any concerns, then put in the comment sections. If you have any queries or questions, that also you can put. And thank you very much. Hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this, then please put a like. Thanks, Sengo. Bye.